Hey guys, in today's video you'll be checking out some of the best Christmas dress for girls available in the market. We have combined them according to their quality, capacity, price, user satisfaction and ease of use. You can find out more info about them in the description box below. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon below to be the first to know about any new videos. Ranking at number 7 we have Touched Christmas Dress. It is made without synthetic pesticides or fertilizers. This organic cotton clothing is pure and made without harsh chemicals. Feeling incredibly comfortable and cozy on baby skin. It is made with natural and breathable fibers. This organic cotton is the best fabric for baby soft sensitive new skin. Dress is short sleeve to keep cool, while cardigan offers long sleeves and snap closure for cooler nights. It is made of 100% cotton and it is imported. At number 6 we have cecobora Christmas Dress. This white t-shirt comes with red black plaid checked pant and hat. It comes with very adorable baby boys girls long sleeve Christmas outfits pant clothing set. It is great for a gift and party. Your baby will look very attractive and cute. This high quality suspender skirt set breathable and comfortable. This pretty style that fit your baby perfectly. It is soft and keeps its shape. It is suitable for outdoor activities, party or any occasions. At number 5 we have Tueenhuge Christmas Dress. It is printed with snowflake pattern, a cute bow knot decor at the waist, the ribbon sashes ties at back. It has zipper closure. And it is hand wash only. It is made of cotton plus polyester and it has zipper closure. At number 4 we have Bonnie Christmas Dress. This long sleeve stretch velvet to plaid taffeta dress with crinoline. This Bonnie jean dress has made fashionable, high quality, affordable and age appropriate dresses. It is made of 90% polyester, 10% spandex and skirt is 85%. At number 3 we have Mini Honey Christmas Dress. It is no any harm to your baby's skin. That's make your lovely baby girl's body comfortable and breathable. It is made of soft material. And made of high quality soft polyester plus cotton. At number 2 we have Flashing Boy Christmas Dress. The top is made of cotton, comfortable and soft, safe. And harmless buffalo plaid symbolize the Christmas festival. Your little one will love it. It is suitable for toddler baby, little girls, fall, autumn, spring outdoor wear and daily wear. At number 1 we have Bonnie Boy Christmas Dress. This Bonnie jean Christmas dress comes with coat set red and black buffalo check for baby, toddler and little girls. You can celebrate the holidays with this classic buffalo check Christmas dress with matching red coat. This outfit is made with the highest quality that Bonnie jean is known for. This is the perfect outfit for a holiday party, family photo, or any festive winter or fall special occasion. This outfit is made with the highest quality that Bonnie jean is known for. Now it's your turn. Let us know in the comment box below as this video helps you to find the best Christmas dress for girls for your need.